Hi, and welcome back to the shop by Mike Marazzo, and in this week's build video I am framing out my shop. I'm so excited. I put up 3 walls and a big door opening, and the purpose of this was to keep dust from getting everywhere in the basement, including near my HVAC system, which is sitting right next to my shop. It also makes a lot of noise when I'm in here recording, so now that I've soundproofed the walls by just using fiberglass insulation, it has deadened the sound quite a bit. So this is a simple 2x4 construction, 16-inch center walls using 2 studs on the floor. They're called plates. Secure the first plate to the floor using a Ramset 22 caliber nail gun to shoot nails through, and then covering that plate with another plate, and then on top along the joists running 2 plates as well. Then I just measure the distance between the 2 plates, and because the floor and the ceiling are never level, those distances change and allows me to cut each stud separately at its proper length. I then secured each stud to each plate using pocket holes. First time ever doing that. I used to build walls whole using 3-inch screws through the bottom plate and the top plate, and then you carry the whole section over, slide it on top of the plate that's on the floor and underneath the plate that's on the ceiling, and then screw that in. This way I eliminated all that. I didn't have the room to do that because of all the storage problems we have down here. So this was simple. You can do this. It's very easy. These are non-weight bearing walls, so even better. So just follow along. If you have any questions, leave them after the video. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Well, that's it, guys. Pretty simple, right? No matter your skill level, you can do this. Take your time, plan it out, and be safe. If you like the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider hitting my moon and subscribing and hitting the bell to get notifications of new videos. Thanks.